The construction industry in the UK is an important generator of value and employment. This short video is going to look briefly at the contribution the construction industry makes to the UK economy and its impact within society. The total value added to the UK economy by all sectors is approximately £1.9 trillion. Based on figures from 2018, the construction industry contributes around 6% to this figure, which equates to £117 billion. For context, this is around the same figure as the creative industries combined, and that includes film, design, fashion, amongst other activities. Significantly, architectural design services are included in the figures for creative industries and not under construction. Likewise, related activities such as project management, engineering, and other consultant activities are accounted for elsewhere. If we were to lump all the construction-related activity together, the total would be much more. The output from the construction sector has shown historic growth from the middle of the first decade of the 21st century. Construction can, however, be susceptible to outside forces. There was a significant fall in the years around the financial crisis of 2008 and 2009, and again in 2011. Construction can be slow to react to upward trends in the economy, probably due to issues around commissioning projects, procurement, and mobilisation. Aside from providing economic value, the construction sector is also a major employer within the UK. 7% of all jobs are in construction, and this equates to about 340,000 individual companies operating within the construction sector. Unusually within the UK economy, the construction sector has a significantly high proportion of self-employed workers. Some 35% of all jobs fall into this category. This is probably due to the nature of construction, where work is still divided up by separate trades. One measure of the health of the construction industry is in the value of new orders. It's an important indicator of economic activity, and data sets are available which show the percentage change from year to year. One aspect to note is that a large change from one year to the next isn't always an indication of a downturn. There have been years where large infrastructure contracts have been awarded, which later skew the figures to show a large fall in the following year. The value of new orders can be broken down further into housing, industrial, infrastructure, commercial and public projects. In 2018, housing accounted for the largest proportion of new orders, with 35% of the overall total, a figure worth approximately £21.5 billion. So from this, we can gain a picture of the importance of construction to the UK economy, not just in terms of value, but also in supporting a great number of jobs. Further videos in this series will look specifically at aspects related to housing in the UK. I'll put a link to some of the documents referred to in this video in the description below and also on the course page, and please check out the links on the end card. Thank you very much for listening.